Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can make a cinematic text in Premiere Pro. So firstly open up your Premiere Pro, then create a blank video as a background, then simply drag and drop onto the timeline and make it 7 seconds long. So now take a text layer and add a text. Let's go with Pixar Studio. So let me adjust the size a little bit. Now just simply highlight the text and go to Effects Control. Then click on the drop box of the text layer and then make some changes to your liking. Now what you can do is make a nice animation out of this text. First, let me make an opacity animation. Simply scroll down until you find opacity. Then drag your timeline to the very start of the footage. Then click on the stopwatch over here. Make it 0% opacity. Then go to the 2-second spot. Then again bring back the opacity to 100%. Then again go to the 4-second spot and then just simply click on the diamond icon over here to replicate this exact same keyframe over there. And then in the end, in the 6-second mark, just simply make another opacity keyframe of 0%. So now we have an animation of nice fading in and fading out text. So let's make it a bit more nicer. So what you can do is just simply again go to the very start text and then scroll up to the position and scale menu. Then simply make a scale keyframe by clicking on the stopwatch icon of scale. Then go to the last keyframe, which is on the 6th second, and give it a scale of 110. And now if you play this again, it will now give a slightly growing effect onto the text. So now let's give this a final touch by giving it a blur. So what you have to do is search for Gaussian blur in effects panel, and if you are unable to find the effects panel, just simply go in Windows and you can get the effects panel over there. So in the effects panel, just simply search blur. Then simply drag and drop Gaussian blur onto the text layer. Then again make keyframe of the blur. So just simply click on the stopwatch. Then keep the blur at 50%. Then go to the 2-second mark. Make the blurriness 0%. Now go to the 4-second spot. Then again replicate the keyframe by clicking on the diamond icon over here. Then go to the last keyframe, which is on the 6-second spot, and again increase the blurriness to 50%. So now if you play this animation, we will have a nice animation of a text fading in and fading out with a blur. So now let's play it. So as you can see, this is nice and sleek looking animation of a text, which is pretty cinematic. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.